Lamborghini McLaren is taking over the streets. Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren is taking over the streets. Lamborghini McLaren is beating everything. Lamborghini McLaren is eating up everything. Lamborghini McLaren is hard to beat. Lamborghini McLaren always wins. Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren, Lamborghini McLaren. Yeah, Lamborghini McLaren is taking over the street. Oh, damn, that Lamborghini and the McLaren, that green McLaren just ran my ass over. Totally Inspired Season 7. Totally Inspired Season 7. Sam Clover Alice back. Totally Inspired Season 7. Totally Inspired Season 7. Totally Inspired Season 7. Hey, Super Mario Brothers. The brothers in the game Super Mario Brothers movie will be out in 9 more days. Here's Super Mario. Here's Mario and my jet, baby. Look at that. Mario's gonna get ready in the jet to go save Princess Peach from Bowser. Oh, yeah. Hey, plank, get a jet. Look at Mario just sitting in my jet. There's Mario. Super Mario Brothers 9 more days away. Super Mario Brothers movies 9 more days away. Super Mario Brothers movie. Super Mario Brothers movie. Super Mario. Mario's my jet. Mario's my jet. Hey, Mario's my jet. Yeah, Super Mario Bros. Movie. 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 Super Mario Bros. movies coming now. 9 more days away. Next Wednesday, April the 5th, Super Mario Bros. movie. Mario and Princess Peach, baby. Ooh, look at Mario. It's me, Mario. I'm in the cop in my jet. Princess Peach, look at me. I'm in my new jet.
Well, guys, I got my Princess Peach wall poster. I'm all set. I'm going to get ready to start packing up to go celebrate at the movies to watch Super Mario Brothers movie and get pulled into the TV by Princess Peach. I'm going home.